how to turn off or on sync contacts on TikTok. Now, hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn it off or on. First, all you need to do just open TikTok now and then click on your profile here in the bottom corner, and after that click these three lines in the top corner, and then all you need to do just click privacy, and then click this one, sync contacts and Facebook friends, and here you can turn it off or on just by one click. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.